Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2023 as we know it, but what's it gonna be like in 2050? Think about it. That's less than 30 years away. We're talking flying cars, maybe teleportation, or even living on Mars, right? Well, maybe not that extreme, but close. In this video, we're diving deep into the tech that's gonna reshape our world. We're talking nanobots in our bloodstream, 3D printed houses, and AI that could be writing scripts like this. Buckle up because the future is closer than you think. Have you ever just stopped and really thought, about what the future holds for you? Not just in a vague, far-off sense, but in a way that makes you pause and wonder how your everyday life might actually look, feel, and even sound in the year 2050? Imagine, for a moment, pressing pause on your busy routine and letting your mind wander into the possibilities that lie ahead. Picture yourself waking up in a world where technology is seamlessly woven into every aspect of your day. What will your morning routine look like? Will your alarm clock be replaced by a gentle sunrise simulation, or maybe a holographic assistant that greets you with the day's agenda? Will your digital calendar sync with your health data to suggest the perfect breakfast for your mood and energy levels? I'm talking about the little things, the mundane everyday moments that make up the fabric of our lives, like how you'll grab your morning coffee. Maybe your kitchen will have a smart coffee machine that knows your favorite blend and brews it before you even step out of bed. Or perhaps your fridge will suggest a new recipe based on what's inside, and your kitchen appliances will work together to prepare it for you. And what about your commute to work? Will you step into a self-driving car that navigates traffic while you catch up on emails? Or will you hop onto a high-speed maglev train that gets you across the city in minutes? Or maybe, just maybe, teleportation will be a reality. Imagine stepping into a booth and instantly arriving at your destination. No traffic jams, no delays, just pure efficiency. Even the way you unwind at home could be transformed. Picture a living room that adapts to your mood, with lighting, temperature, and music all adjusting automatically. Maybe your walls will double as interactive screens letting you travel the world virtually or connect with friends in immersive 3D spaces. Your smart home could anticipate your needs, making every evening feel like a personalized retreat. It's easy to brush all this off as the stuff of distant sci-fi movies, the kind you watch with a sense of wonder but never expect to see in your own lifetime. But here's the thing, this future is closer than you think. The seeds of these innovations are already being planted and the world is changing faster than ever before. The line between science fiction and reality is blurring right before our eyes. And the technology that's going to get us there, it's not just a dream, it's already in the works. Right now, scientists, engineers, and visionaries are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're developing artificial intelligence that can learn and adapt, robots that can assist with daily tasks, and medical breakthroughs that could extend our lives and improve our health in ways we can barely imagine. We're talking about next-level advancements, nanotechnology that could repair our bodies from the inside out, 3D printing that allows us to create anything we need on demand, and wearable devices that keep us connected and informed at all times. Imagine a world where your clothes monitor your health, your home repairs itself, and your devices anticipate your every need. And let's not forget about energy. Renewable sources like solar and wind are evolving at a rapid pace, powering entire cities with clean, sustainable energy. Imagine living in a world where pollution is a thing of the past, and our planet thrives thanks to innovations that once seemed straight out of Star Trek. The way we power our lives is being reimagined from the ground up, and that's just scratching the surface. The future is a vast, uncharted territory, full of possibilities we can barely begin to comprehend. So next time you find yourself daydreaming about what's to come, remember, it's not just fantasy, it's the beginning of a new chapter, and it's happening right now. So, nanotech. It's kind of flown under the radar, but trust me, this stuff is a game changer. Imagine microscopic robots like, way smaller than a strand of hair, swimming through your body, delivering targeted medicine, repairing damaged cells at the molecular level. That's nanotech in action. And it's not just healthcare, we're talking about materials that are crazy strong yet super lightweight, self-cleaning clothes, even food that adapts its nutritional content based on your needs. This is the future, and it's happening at the nanoscale. 3D printing's been around for a minute, but in 2050, it's going to be as common as your smartphone. Imagine a world where the boundaries between digital design and physical reality are almost non-existent. That's the future we're heading toward. where 3D printers are as essential in our homes and workplaces as microwaves or laptops. The technology has evolved far beyond its early days of printing simple plastic models. Now, it's a tool for creativity, innovation, and even survival. Forget waiting months for a house to be built. We're talking 3D printed homes, custom designed and constructed in a matter of days. These aren't just basic shelters either. We're talking about smart homes, tailored to your needs, with built-in energy efficiency and sustainable materials. The construction industry is being revolutionized, with entire neighborhoods springing up in record time, all thanks to massive 3D printers that can lay down concrete, insulation, and even wiring layer by layer. It's faster, cheaper, and greener than anything we've seen before. Need a new pair of shoes? No problem, just print them out in your living room. But it doesn't stop at shoes. People are printing custom clothes, furniture, and even replacement parts for appliances, all from the comfort of home. The days of waiting for deliveries or searching for the right size are over. If you can dream it, you can print it. This level of personalization means less waste and more satisfaction, as everything is made just for you. And get this, 3D printed food. It sounds like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming reality. Chefs and engineers are teaming up to create printers that can assemble meals from the ground up, using fresh ingredients or even lab-grown proteins. Imagine printing a gourmet meal, perfectly portioned and tailored to your dietary needs right in your kitchen. Yeah, you heard that right. The possibilities are endless, from printing intricate desserts to nutritious meals for astronauts on Mars. It's not just about convenience, it's about unlocking new flavors, textures, and experiences that were impossible before. Imagine printing out a pizza, molecule by molecule, with all the flavors and textures you love. Want extra cheese, gluten-free crust, or a new topping you just invented? Just tweak the recipe in the app and let the printer do the rest. It's food, reimagined for a new era. That's the power of 3D printing. It's transforming how we build, create, and even eat, layer by layer, shaping a future limited only by our imagination. Fossil fuels? Yeah, those are so 2023. In 2050, it's all about clean, sustainable energy. Solar panels so efficient they can power entire cities, wind farms harnessing the power of the wind like never before, and fusion energy, the holy grail of clean power, finally within our grasp. This shift to renewables is going to transform our cities, making them cleaner, greener, and more sustainable. Get ready for a future powered by the sun, wind, and the sheer ingenuity of human innovation. Remember when space travel was just a distant dream? Well, in 2050 it's going to be our reality. We're talking reusable rockets that'll make space tourism as common as hopping on a plane, lunar bases where we'll be mining resources and conducting scientific experiments, and maybe, just maybe, the first manned mission to Mars. And who knows, we might even find evidence of life beyond Earth. The universe is vast, and in 2050, we'll be taking giant leaps in exploring its mysteries. AI, or artificial intelligence, it's not just some sci-fi trope anymore. By 2050, it's going to be integrated into every aspect of our lives. Imagine AI teachers personalizing education for every student, AI doctors diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy, and AI assistants handling our daily tasks, freeing up our time to focus on what matters most. But it's not just about convenience. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty. Hold up, because this is where things get really wild. Welcome to the Metaverse, a place where the boundaries between what's real and what's digital start to dissolve before your eyes. Imagine stepping into a world where your senses are tricked, your imagination is set free, and the possibilities are only limited by your creativity. This isn't just science fiction anymore, it's happening right now. And it's only going to get more mind-blowing as we move into the future. But let's get one thing straight, it's not just about strapping on a VR headset and escaping reality for a few hours. The Metaverse is about so much more than that. It's about creating a seamless blend between our physical world and the digital universe, where the two coexist and interact in ways we're only beginning to understand. Think about it, you could be walking down a city street and digital information appears right in front of you. Directions, restaurant reviews, even virtual art installations that only you can see. The lines between what's real and what's virtual are getting blurrier every day, and soon they might disappear altogether. Imagine attending a concert from your living room but feeling the energy of the crowd, the pulse of the music, and the lights flashing all around you as if you were really there. Virtual concerts aren't just a video stream, they're fully immersive experiences letting you dance, sing, and interact with friends from all over the world, no matter where you are. Or picture this, you're shopping for clothes, but instead of guessing your size or hoping something fits, you step into a virtual dressing room. Here you can try on outfits that are tailored to your exact measurements, see how they move with your body, and even get instant feedback from friends or stylists. No crowded malls or long lines required. Work is changing too. Virtual workspaces are becoming just as real as physical offices. You can collaborate with colleagues from across the globe, brainstorm on digital whiteboards, and share ideas in real time, all while feeling like you're sitting in the same room. The sense of presence and connection is unlike anything we've experienced before. Education is being transformed as well. Students can now attend virtual classrooms, interact with 3D models, and even take field trips to historical sites or distant planets, all without leaving their homes. Learning becomes an adventure, and curiosity is rewarded with immersive, hands-on experiences. The Metaverse is the next evolution of the internet, a place where our digital lives and physical realities merge into something entirely new. It's a global network that connects people, ideas, and experiences in ways we've never seen before. And in 2050, it's going to change the way we live, work, and play. From entertainment and shopping to education and socializing, the Metaverse will touch every part of our lives, opening doors to experiences we can barely imagine today. The future is closer than you think, and it's more exciting than ever. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of 2050. From nanobots in our bodies to colonies on Mars, the future is brimming with possibilities. It's a future shaped by innovation, driven by technology, and ultimately, defined by the choices we make today. The future is not something that just happens to us, it's something we create. That's it for this deep dive into 2050. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, and subscribe for more content exploring the bleeding edge of tech and innovation. Let me know in the comments which advancement you're most excited about, or maybe you have a prediction of your own. Until next time, keep your tech game strong, and always be looking ahead. Peace.